repair, resale and renting. Principles of the circular economy can be applied to the fashion industry, beginning by covering why the fashion industry of today is not fit for purpose. In particular, we need new business models that increase clothing use, safe and renewable inputs, and solutions so used clothes are turned into new ones. Globally, the $1.3 trillion clothing industry employs more than 300 million people and represents more than 60% of the total textiles used. In the last 15 years, clothing production has approximately doubled. At the same time, clothing use has declined by almost 40%. This is mainly due to the fast fashion. By moving to a circular system, the industry can unlock $560 billion in economic opportunities. Realizing this requires new business models. Such models should produce and provide access to high-quality, affordable, individualized clothing. Capture the full value of clothing during and after use. Run on renewable energy and uses renewable resources where their input is needed. Reflect the true cost, environmental and societal, of materials and production processes in the price of products. Regenerate natural systems and does not pollute the environment. Designing and producing clothes of higher quality and providing access to them via new business models would help shift the perception of clothing from a disposable item to a durable product. There are numerous opportunities for innovative business models to be employed by the fashion industry, including subscription services, clothing rental, etc. Brands such as The North Face, Patagonia and Rent the Runway have already implemented such models. Short-term rental models offer a compelling value proposition, particularly when taking changing customer needs into consideration. Examples include short-term use, practical requirements, or fast-evolving fashion preferences. New short-term and subscription rental models are already emerging within the industry, such as Mutt Jeans, offering high-quality denim, Vega, offering subscriptions for baby wear, Rent the Runway, targeting working women, and offering an unlimited subscription service. Customers often value high-quality and durable clothes, but a lack of information prevents them from making the best choices. Quality purchases encourage the use of new technologies that provide customization for maximum customer satisfaction. For clothes that become unwanted but are still usable, enhanced resale models offer an attractive opportunity. For customers who want to retain their clothes for longer, appropriate care should be encouraged and facilitated. Clothing resale is already widely adopted across the world. The latest figures from the ThreadUp Resale Report 2019 show that resale has grown 21 times faster than retail over the past 5 years. Therefore, if clothes are increasingly made to last, introducing attractive resale models suited to a wider customer base locally, for example, in the same countries where clothes are being discarded, could significantly increase clothing utilization. What do these global trends and possible scenarios mean for the apparel industry? It's crucial that companies consider a new way of thinking about the future and what are the most likely scenarios. Companies can stay ahead of the curve by gathering insights and continuously crafting savvy strategies to build the capabilities needed to succeed in the future landscape.